Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Gaming phones will be the main trend on the market in 2018. Some days ago, Xiaomi released its gaming phone called Black Shark. We already compared it with another gaming device, Razer phone. You can find a link to this video in the description. ZTE decided to join the new trend and release its own gaming phone called Nubia Red Magic. Do you know why gaming phones have these strange names Black Shark, Red Magic? In any case, I decided to compare Xiaomi Black Shark and Nubia Red Magic because they are the first gaming phones in 2018. I think there will be much more gaming mobile devices this year, because many people like to play games on phones. Xiaomi Black Shark and Nubia Red Magic have not only strange names, but also interesting design. Both of them come with solid metal body with ergonomic design. The phones are made especially for long gameplays. If we talk about Xiaomi Black Shark, it comes with front fingerprint reader on the home button, while Nubia Red Magic has fingerprint reader on the back side. Also, Nubia phone has single rear camera, while Xiaomi device is equipped with dual camera. Xiaomi Black Shark has S logo on the rear panel, and Nubia Red Magic comes with LED strip. Nubia Red Magic is equipped with USB Type-C port and 3.5mm audio jack, while Xiaomi gaming phone doesn't have 3.5mm connector. The dimensions and weight of both phones are almost the same. So these phones are high build quality devices with unique design. They don't look like many other phones on the market, especially Xiaomi Black Shark. It is impossible to choose a winner, because if you want really aggressive gaming phone, then Black Shark is better option. If you prefer more simple but very stylish phone, then Nubia Red Magic is for you. I will give both phones by 1 point. I don't want to talk much about displays, because both phones come with almost the same screens. If Razer phone has excellent 120Hz display, then Xiaomi Black Shark and Nubia Red Magic are equipped with regular displays with 6-inch diagonal, Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2160 pixels and 18 by 9 aspect ratio. Nubia phone has a little bigger screen-to-body ratio, 78.5% against 76% in Black Shark, but I think that you don't notice a big difference in real life. Once again, both phones received by 1 point from me. The first big difference between these phones is in hardware. Xiaomi Black Shark is powered by flagship chipset Snapdragon 845 with clock speed 2.8 GHz. Also, it is equipped with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal memory. Nubia Red Magic has older Snapdragon 835, the flagship Qualcomm chipset from 2017. Many people are disappointed, but I think that it's still a very powerful processor. As for the memory, there is also 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of storage. What should be the main feature of gaming phones? You're right, cooling system. Xiaomi Black Shark and Nubia Red Magic come with special cooling systems, but they are different. We don't know much about Red Magic cooling system, but Black Shark is able to reduce the temperature by 8 degrees in a few seconds. The performance of both phones is so high that you don't notice a difference in real life. However, the fact is that Xiaomi Black Shark is equipped with latest chipset and it is more powerful than Nubia Red Magic. By the way, the smartphones run on latest Android 8.0 Oreo operating system, but with open user interface, Nubia Red Magic OS and GUI OS. Right now the phones are sold only in China, so we cannot talk about software features. It seems that camera is not the main feature of gaming phones, but all of them come with high-quality cameras. Xiaomi Black Shark is equipped with dual rear camera with 12MP main sensor and f1.8 aperture and 20MP sensor and f1.8 aperture. Also there is 20MP front camera with f2.2 aperture. Another gaming phone in our comparison, Nubia Red Magic, has single camera on the back with 24MP sensor and f1.7 aperture. Also it comes with 8MP front camera and f2.0 aperture. It's a pity, but I haven't seen real sample photos yet. It is very hard to choose a winner in this category without real sample photos. Both phones have high-quality cameras, and I am sure they take excellent photos. I will give both phones by 1 point. As for the battery, Xiaomi Black Shark looks better. It is equipped with a little bigger battery, 4000 mAh, and fast charging support 9V and 2A. Nubia Red Magic has 3800 mAh battery and fast charging technology, but we don't know details about it. You should note that real battery life will depend on software optimization. I will give Xiaomi phone the point because it has bigger battery, but it doesn't mean that it has longer battery life. Another category to compare these phones is the price. I want to compare official prices, but real price in store may be different. So the official price of Xiaomi Black Shark starts from $477, while Nubia Red Magic costs from $399. As you can see, Red Magic is cheaper, so it receives the last point from me. As you can see, these phones have almost the same amount of points, and it is true Xiaomi Black Shark and Nubia Red Magic are very similar phones. Of course, both of them have unique design, and Black Shark is powered by more powerful chipset Snapdragon 845, but they come with the same displays and very similar cameras and batteries. From the other hand, Nubia Red Magic is cheaper, so if you don't want to spend a lot of money, then this phone will be a better option. Thanks for watching. What do you think about comparison? Do you agree with my opinion? Write comments below. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.